Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable unknown sources on a Samsung Smart TV. Before we begin, keep in mind that installing unknown or third-party APK files can be risky. If you choose to do this, make sure you do it carefully and at your own discretion. The truth is that on Samsung Smart TVs, you first need to enable developer mode before you can install apps from unknown sources. So let's start with the steps. First, go to the Apps section on your Samsung Smart TV. Once you open the Apps page, take your remote control and press the following numbers in sequence: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After entering this code, the developer mode window will appear. If this is your first time opening it, developer mode will be turned off. Simply switch it on, then press OK. Once you enable developer mode, you will see a message asking you to restart your Samsung Smart TV. To do this, hold the power button on your remote for a few seconds until the TV turns off and restarts. After the restart, developer mode will be active on your TV. This allows you to install applications that are not available in the Samsung App Store. Now you can download the APK file you want on your computer, copy it to a USB flash drive, and then insert that USB drive into the USB port on the back of your Samsung Smart TV. From there, you can access the file and install the application on your TV. And that's it. That's how you enable unknown sources and developer mode on a Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching.